so fearful, scary, but fearless. He dey mysterious, you know fit define am, whether happy or sad.
Peace be unto this household. I gather personally introduces the fairest of all, the finest of all, the most fierce of all, Prince Ahana of Udenewu Kingdom, the only prince that gathers all the gather, Prince Ahana the Great, the greatest of Udenewu Kingdom.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings, my prince.
Greetings.
You're welcome.
Now you're Okonkwo.
My prince.
It's been days since you said you would get back to me concerning my request. Request that you should take up the position with the oil companies. It is taking too long for you to make your stand. Why?
I'm sorry to have taken so long, my prince, and duly appreciate your offer for such a prestigious position. Despite my declining royal assignments in the past, it is a position I would have loved to take, but for my students who are preparing for their senior secondary school examination, which I cannot part for anything. Sorry, I did not intend to sound rude to you. I suggest someone else takes the position.
Very well. Well, since you have refused to take on the position, a very important and sensitive position, the next person I think is qualified is your daughter, Ijele.
Thank you, my prince. It is left for her to decide, not me.
I know you have thought her well, and she treads your path. I know she will not refuse the position.
Ijele, the ball is on your court.
I'll take that for a yes. I take my leave.
One and only prince. Come move it open for the prince. Move it, move it. The most handsome prince. The only prince that gathers. The only prince. The most handsome prince of the Udenewu Kingdom.
So fearful,
Prince Ahana the Great. Prince
fearless.
Ahana the Great.
Behold the prince, so fearful, scary, but fearless. He dey mysterious, you know fit define am, whether happy or sad. The woman, if you come his way, you go dey careful, oh. If no be so, you go collect woto. Behold the prince, so fearful, scary, but fearless. Behold the prince, so fearful, scary, but fearless.
Greetings.
Greetings. How can I help you, please?
The king wants to see you at the palace immediately.
Mama, he said the king wants to see me.
You have to go. When you get there, you know why he's calling you.
Please, is there a problem?
You will know better when you get there.
Mama.
Go. Hmm? When you get there, you know, go. Go. Go and answer the king first. Hmm? When you get there, you know why he's calling you. Wagaba.
Is there a problem?
I'll be waiting for you when you come back. You know, go.
Being desperate, reduces your what? Being desperate. Reduces your what? Being so desperate. Makes you look common and cheap. Being desperate reduces your what? Being desperate reduces your what? Being so desperate.
Mama! Mama! Mama!
What is it?
Okay, I'm very happy. Mama, the king has given me another chance.
Another chance to do what?
To participate in the competition.
Where is Papa? He's not around, but he'll be so happy when he's come back. I need to prepare myself.
I'm on a journey.
Hope is working.
Almost.
Should I hold it for you?
No, I'm almost done.
To get what I want, no matter what I see, no matter what comes my way.
Here you are. Smelling like a rat, like a cockroach that you are. Animal. Well, I'm here to tell you that that thing you denied me of, I have gotten it on a platter of gold and in double folds. You see your life? You see this life? It will be worse than this truck that you're fixing, and nobody will help you. Fear!
No, Ihuoma, you have crossed your line. Yes, I won't have you spit on him. That's so disrespectful and inhumane. He's a man.
It's a wetting.
Man.
Who is the man? This one. This one is the man. Well, I don't blame you. Because you're very comfortable standing with a dead rat. He doesn't smell. He stinks. You, I will deal with you.
Enough of this conversation. Leave my father's compound. Now.
Where's the compound?
Of course.
This place?
Yes.
Okay. I was already leaving. But I'm here to tell you that I have already been granted the road to the prince's heart. You fool. Your dirty beards. Stinking thing, rugged hair, looking so unkempt. Cow! Look at his shirt, not even ironed. Fool.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Being desperate reduces your what? Being desperate reduces.
No. Don't do this to yourself. Don't cry. Please, stop. Look at me. Listen. You don't have to cry. You're such a hard-working man. When someone mocks you because of your present condition, what do? Work hard, work vigorously, and prove them wrong. Please, don't let anything weigh you down. Don't let anyone talk down on you. You're doing well for yourself. Who mocks a hard-working man like you? It's only an idiot. Please. Okay? Stop crying.
What have I done wrong?
You haven't done anything wrong.
Is it a crime to be poor? Is it a crime to sell ice cream?
It is not a crime to sell ice cream. You're not a criminal. You have integrity, and that's all that matters. Be it medical doctor, a banker, ice cream seller, they are all working for one thing: money. All you need to do is keep working hard, make your money, and make sure you invest it wisely. That's what differentiates a man. And you're doing well at it. Smile, please. Please smile. It's okay, don't cry. Don't cry, it's okay. Let's go back, let me help you. It's okay now, come, let's continue. Because we're not doing this thing very well. Stop.
Your Majesty, may I go ahead to usher the maidens in?
Go ahead.
As Your Majesty pleases. Ujunwa Fabian. Ujunwa Fabian.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
My name is Ujunwa, daughter of Fabian Wadike, from Umuaba Kindred, here in Udenewu Kingdom.
You look beautiful.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Please step aside now. Stay this way.
Okay, thank you.
Munachi Okoye. I'm sorry, Your Majesty. The maiden by the name Munachi Okoye is a bit indisposed at the moment, but she has given her words that she would join us shortly.
Call the next person.
Olama Achiwabo. Olama Achiwabo.
Long live Your Majesty. My name is Olamma Chinwabo from Ukwato Kindred, here in the New Kingdom. My king.
You are indeed a full-bodied woman. Your husband must have something to behold. Just step aside.
Sorochi Onyemetu. Sorochi Onyemetu.
May you reign forever, Your Majesty.
My name is Sorochi Onyemetu from Amakeko Kindred, here in Udenewu Kingdom, Your Majesty.
You look good. You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Make yourself comfortable.
Nkiruka Onibo, please come.
Greetings, Your Majesty. My name is Nkiruka Onibu, the first daughter of Bernard Onibu from Omonia of Udenewu Kingdom.
Bernard Onibo.
Yes, Your Highness.
You're welcome. Get close to your friend.
Adugo Echeta, please come.
Greetings, Your Majesty. My name is Adugo Esheta, daughter of Ogwefi Nabug Esheta in Udenewu Kingdom.
Step forward a little bit. You look trimmed.
Thank you.
Your Majesty, the next name on my list is the maiden Racheal Okonkwo. She was properly informed of this meeting, but I do not know why she has decided to dishonor the royal order, Your Majesty.
Tell Otachi that I want to behold her presence. I do not want to talk to you people differently. I want to speak to all of them at once.
As Your Majesty pleases. Ladies.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Being desperate reduces your wants. Being desperate reduces your wants. Being so desperate makes you look common and cheap.
What does he want? What do you want?
Leave whatever you are doing and follow me right now. Do you want to see all the eligible maidens in this kingdom?
I don't understand what you mean by eligible maidens. I've told them I'm not interested.
I can see. Are you not aware that the prince wants to pick his bride from the list of the eligible maidens in this kingdom? Are you not aware?
I am, but I am not interested.
If you go, tell him with that. Eh?
Please, let's continue. Let's continue.
Learn how to greet a royal servant. I'm waiting for you.
Let's continue now. Leave this clown. Don't allow small things to distract you now. We have something to do. I've told them severally that I'm not interested. I don't know why they are disturbing me.
You said you are the daughter of Okonkwo, the college principal.
Yes, Your Highness.
Indeed, a chip from an old block.
Your Majesty, I mean no disrespect. I just told them that they shouldn't have enlisted my name without my consent.
Will you get out? Shut that thing you call trap! My son is already so mean to have something to do with a monster, a hard-hearted monster like you. Ikakweche. Get out.
I'm sorry.
Leave my side. I missed it.
Oh, Your Majesty, it's okay.
Shut it.
Being desperate reduces your what? Being desperate reduces your what? Being so desperate makes you look common and cheap. Being desperate reduces your what? Being desperate reduces your what? Being so desperate makes you look common and cheap. Ready to kill, fighting all the time. Pride, anger and strife, violence have stolen the real part of you. Hypocrisy, arrogancy. Just imagine what you have turned yourself into. Desperation, desperation, desperation is written.
So, Mama, these are the things I could afford. There's no money. Everything is expensive now.
But you tried, sir.
Then this one.
You tried.
This one. Yes, I'm married to.
What is it? Mama, where did you get such money from?
I don't know. Okay. Maybe the girl I bought things from mistakenly dropped this in the bag.
And there's a paper on it.
Open it now.
Read the paper.
Mama, just open it first.
Is there anything? Is the name written on it?
No. Buy yourself a car so you can win the better. Hey! Mama, I've made it in life. Hey! Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mama?
Yeah. What is going on?
Papa.
Here?
Papa.
Huh? Huh?
Hey!
Papa! It's my money.
See this girl.
Papa, what? Are you not happy?
Anonymous sent her money to buy a car in preparation for the bridal contest.
Yes, Papa.
Who could that be? Wait, are you suspecting anybody?
Papa, you not happy with it?
No, now. This is a huge amount of money.
Wait. This could be His Majesty. He promised me he will do anything to make sure I win this contest. He gave me this money. I'm going to thank
wait. I will go with you.
No. If truly the king did this secretly, that means he wanted to be secret. We need to play along with him.
Yes. Sit down. I think your father is right. The king might not want others to know that he's supporting you. So he's doing it secretly.
Okay. No problem. Mama, what?
And remember, he said you should use this money to do what? Buy yourself what? To buy yourself a car.
$6. Hey.
But we go, Rita.
Papa, I'm coming. Mama, leave me alone, Joe. I'm coming.
Ihuoma. This is your daughter. Very greedy woman being.
Huh?
I got ice cream. Hey. I got ice cream. Lake 1, Lake 2. Your lake, you gather. You go by. No, you know there. I got ice cream now, they say. I got Lake 1, Lake 2. Your lake, you gather. Oh yeah, now tomorrow. I got ice cream. Hey. I got ice cream. Your lake 1, your lake 2. Lake 1, gather. Iroma, how nice. Iroma.
Are you stupid? You were trying to block me. Are you okay?
No.
Shut up! Just shut up. Let me ask you, did your mother ever celebrate the day she gave birth to you? I don't think so. Because you stink of poverty. Even the air that you breathe is poverty. See how wretched you look. Your future is poverty.
Iroma, I haven't done anything wrong now. I was just asking if you're going to patronize me.
I said shut up. You didn't hear that part? Shut up. I said shut up. Did you just call me by my name? You're calling me by my name, a car owner. Like it's easy to have a car. Can your family ever afford a car? You can't even afford a bicycle.
What have I done wrong now? I thought I've said I'm sorry. I just asked if you patronize me. League 1, League 2. I got ice cream.
Think your family leaked 7. Stupid thing. You're still talking. Now listen to me. The next time you will block me again, I will make sure I crush you with this car and I will bury you and then pay your family stipends that you deserve. Nonsense.
It's alright. Your motor is fine.
You will never have sense. Does this look like a motor to you? Does this look like a motor to you? This is a car. It's a car. You won't know now because you don't mingle with the rich. So how will you know? Poor thing. I've told you. I said the next time I will see you again and you stand on my way, I will kill you. I will bury you and dash your family. Maybe 5 naira, maybe 10 naira. Fool. Try me again first. I will kill you for free and nothing will happen. Dirty pig. Better carry that your bicycle and get it from that place.
I'm on a journey to get what I want. I'm on a journey to get what I want. No matter what I see, no matter what comes my way, I'm on a journey to get what I want. Akwado luma akwado, anokwa mofuma.
Thank you for coming. Thank you. I welcome you all to this crucial meeting.
Thank you very much.
I know you must have been informed by the royal household that I'll be the one heading the ongoing negotiation between your oil company and my hometown.
Oh, yes, that's true.
Here with me is High Chief Kajad, the Onowu of Udenewu Kingdom. So you said there's a new development you would want to discuss with us.
Yeah,
What is it all about?
We are here to inform you that the board of directors of Shallow Earth Oil Company have accepted to build a mini refinery in your community, as Prince Anna insisted.
Good development.
Thank you. But there is one more thing.
Which is?
Your community has allotted the space of land for the construction of the oil refinery, according to what your prince wants. So, right now, the land space has been made available for the oil company. So we want you to sign that land must be purchased at the total sum of 250 million naira. You can take 50 million naira. Then we'll keep 200 million to ourselves.
Brilliant idea. We'll sign. Huh? I am signing, so we can sign it. We'll sign and we'll make sure we keep your secret very safe forever. Huh?
It's a lie, Nine.
Huh?
I would do no such thing. Any business built on bribery and corruption, any business that lacks integrity will not stand the test of time. This is the time to do the right thing. And the right thing we must do, or we forget about this. I won't be part of it.
Yeah. I won't take it. Mba, dear me. This is belittling of me. When I was feeling bad that I was robbed of a position that was supposed to come to me as the traditional prime minister of this great kingdom, that little brat is denying me another opportunity of becoming a multi-millionaire. Never, okay, man, over my dead body. This will not happen. I won't allow it to happen. It will never. Not when I'm still alive. Yes, not when I'm still alive. Will I allow such to happen?
Never. Chief Kajad and Chief Abel will henceforth stop being the negotiators for this community.
How dare they have the infantry to accept bribe? In a meeting I asked them to represent me? To represent the community?
I knew your majesty wouldn't agree. That's why I stood my ground.
Ijele, you have done a great job. Thank you very much.
Much obliged.
I know what to do. I will personally write to the company to henceforth cease to deal with those people as negotiators. They have to stop it. They are criminals. Ijele,
My prince.
you have done well. I want you to keep me posted as the company reverts to you further. Please.
I will.
Thank you.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Beautiful maidens of Nollywood Kingdom, it's good to have you seated here. I want to believe that we all know why we are gathered here today.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Fabulous. Prince Ahana is not like that regular man out there. Hence, the Majesty found it very important that you all undertake this special marriage class. Now, I'm glad to tell you that this class is to help you harness every potential that you possess to enable you get the heart of the prince. I hope we all understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Beautiful. So going forward, I would like to know who amongst you have a special talent that we can harness in this quest for the prince's heart.
Ma, well, I am a good dancer and a good singer. If you want, I can sing for you.
You know, that's perfect. That's beautiful. Any other person, please?
Yes.
Next person.
Yes. I can twerk very well. If I twerk for Prince, I said I can twerk.
That is a talent?
Yeah, it's a talent. Let me show you. If I twerk for the Prince, he go here. And I know there.
Hola, ma. Please sit down.
She said you should sit
Is
down.
it your business?
Sit.
Obasai?
Ladies,
Please,
I
don't.
am not here. We are not here for games. You know why you are here, so I expect that you conduct yourself appropriately. Next person, please.
Oh, ma. I can cook. Yes, I can cook very well. People hire me to come cook for them on special occasions. All type of food.
That's fantastic. Next
Thank
person,
you.
please.
For me, you can be very well. I am a bedroom performer.
Are you an actor?
Like, I perform very well. I'm very good at performing. Like, you know, performing. You can be very well.
Listen, this is also a talent.
No, sorry. Can do well.
Yes, ma'am. And the only thing you can do is bedroom performance.
And how about of me to feed this harmonious children too?
Are you a sex addict?
No, ma'am, I'm still a virgin. But if a child to the prince,
Please sit down. Please sit down. Thank
Uncle, sit down.
Sit alright.
Next person. What a splendid talent. Please, next person.
I can dance very well, just I don't like showing myself.
That's a beautiful talent.
Thank you.
Right. So now that we all know why we are here, I'd like to proceed to our next class, which will be royal manners. You need to know how to project yourself, how to walk in the palace, and how to carry yourself as proposed maiden and future queen of the kingdom.
Yes.
You were lucky.
Oh my God, I am so sorry. Hi girls, hi.
I'm so sorry. Hi, how you guys doing?
You are 30 minutes late.
I'm sorry about that. Actually, I stopped by at the gas station to get fuel. I don't have a driver yet, so did I miss anything?
Your talent. What do you have as a talent that we can annex in order to win the prince's heart?
An expensive car, actually. It's not even the first. I have a designer bag, the shoes. The prince will not. He will not spend too much while dating me. You don't have to spend much. Hi girls, how you guys are? Excuse me, I need to sit down. Don't get easy. Stop.
Quiet.
Open. Just open the gate. You don't know the sound of my horn? You didn't hear me honey? Don't try that again. I'm in a very good mood today.
Hey. Who gave you the password to enter this compound?
I don't understand.
Now I am your lecturer. Let me lecture you very well. Prince Ahana has placed a ban on you. You are not allowed to come into this compound.
I am not here to see Prince Ahana. I'm here to see my king.
Hey.
Touch me, I will smack you here now.
Don't try me. Yeah? Hey. My prince.
Stupid thing. Oh, my prince, I just came to say thank you for accepting me and giving me another chance. Thank you.
Hey. Hey. This way. What are you still waiting for? Don't allow me to use Kung Fu style to throw you out. Eh? Don't allow me to use Kung Fu style to throw you out. Now move. Move. Ah! Give me. Guy. Move. I will kick you. I will kick you. Eh? Who gave her the password? No food for me. And you was there watching. She slapped me. Eh? No water for you.
Oh. How's it going to my bosom friend?
My quick friend Okonkwo.
I must say that I'm highly excited to have you in my compound after so many years.
So I am. It has been donkey years. Eh?
Indeed, over 20 years.
You are right. If not more than that.
How your family?
We thanks be to God. You know.
Father.
Ijele mom, you are welcome.
Thank you, Father. Greetings.
How's it going? My daughter you just asked me about. Here she is.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah, she's grown and beautiful.
Really?
Yes.
Wait. Ijele mom.
Father.
Here is Ozibondo, the man I told you that was the reason you are alive today.
Father, hold on. The one that saved me from the fire incident that took my mother's life.
Exactly.
Thank you. Sir, please permit me to hug you, can I?
Hug him.
Thank you so much,
You're
sir.
welcome.
Thank you so much,
Here is his son, Obinna.
Obinna, you're welcome to our home.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
No,
Okay. But let me go and
just go and drop it. Let me have my time with my people.
I'll go my good friend. Okay, we do go.
Yeah, speed.
This is my daughter-in-law. Let me tell you. Speed. This is my daughter-in-law. My old-time friend. It's okay.
To get what I want, I'm on a journey. To get what I want, no matter what I see, no matter what comes my way, I'm on a journey to get what I want. Akwado luma akwado, anokwa mofuma. Ready to sacrifice.
Excuse me! My prince! My prince! My prince! My prince! My prince! My prince! My prince!
How dare you barge into my privacy like that?
My prince, it's a matter of emergency and it's a royal one.
What emergency are you talking about?
Your Majesty, just like we have the Ezemo who happens to be the eyes of the gods of this kingdom, I am the eyes of the prince of Udenewu kingdom.
Will you shut that thing you call mouth and go straight to the point? What are you talking about?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. My prince, someone is about to pick from the maiden selected for you.
What a sheer madness. For real?
Yes, for real. I got that. My prince.
Are you sure of what you just said?
Of course, my prince. I'm not stupid. I couldn't have brought rumors to the palace. Someone is about to pick from the maiden selected for you to marry. Your Majesty, you have to make an announcement that no one gets married until the prince does.
And that is final. Otashe!
Igwe.
Immediately, go round the kingdom and make this announcement. Every marriage must be on hold until my son, Prince Ahana here, picks a bride for himself. Have I made myself clear?
Igwe, as you talk and so it be, I go just stay there, say me the whole until we marry. So until you marry.
Thank you, my prince. Lee.
My king, my prince.
You may leave him. Nobody stands on my nose and stands firmly.
Ozibondo, I've heard all you said. Your son Obinna is old enough for marriage, as well as my daughter. But the small problem there is that Ijele here plans to attend her master's degree first before talking anything about marriage.
My friend Okonkwo, Obinna, my son, is more than capable to train her to any level she wants in education. That is no problem. Yeah?
Look, Nan, you have nothing to worry about. I'm equal to the task. I mean, I can take care of her to any level she wants.
Thank you, my son. And now choosing and Simbeli. You let us hear from her.
First of all, Naya Ozibo, thank you so much for saving my life. If not for you, maybe I won't be standing here today. I appreciate. But just like my father stated, I'm not ready for marriage. I would first of all love to get my degrees before getting married. Marriage is a whole responsibility, let alone merging it with education. It's going to be hard for me. Please, and I would appreciate if my decision is respected.
Greetings. The royal palace of Udenewi Kingdom has declared no marriage or any marital process must hold this period until Prince Ahana has chosen a bride. Disobey this order at your risk. Greetings.
What is the meaning of all this?
You heard from him.
Father, can I go inside?
Okay, you are free, my daughter.
Thank
you. You heard what the chief guard said.
What if Prince Ahana develops interest in Ijele and then insists she must marry him? He has the royal power and Ijele would have no voice, no choice. Do I propose to her immediately? Oh no. I think I just shot myself in the leg. I told the prince to ban all marital process until he finds his bride. Proposals is not part of the process. My goodness. What have I done to myself? I mean, what do I do now to make sure Ijele becomes my wife and not the princess? I think I should sponsor Ihuoma to win the contest. An animal sponsor. She stands the best chance with my money.
Being desperate reduces your wants. Being desperate reduces your wants. Being so desperate makes you look common and cheap. Being desperate reduces your wants. Being desperate reduces your wants. Being so desperate
We will be the in-laws. You are going to
Oh, see, you get no person to get money. You person talk to me and you will arrest him.
What is the problem now?
I know what I'm saying.
What? Tell us.
Hey! I'm a millionaire. If anybody talk to me anyhow, I will just arrest the person. See? Huh?
Calm down, calm down. Calm down. What did you say?
Check under the table in front of the house. Inside the bucket, you will see money.
Yeah? Almost losses na me go na compound.
Anamazi. How did this get here?
I don't know. Okay. Let me pack the clothes I put outside. I saw this thing in the pocket. With money.
God bless the Igwe. God will continue to bless this our Igwe.
Exactly.
If that foolish I gather, that boy will continue to live in shame.
Mama, it's only shame. Okay, shame plus poverty. What did they call him again?
Wasted 9 months.
See, you should not be talking about that fool at 40. Nothing good is coming out of that young man. Long live King Achebe.
Igwe! Hey! Mama!
Let me escort this money.
No, Mama, I don't like this kind of escort, I beg. Mama, just rest. Just rest. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. Hey. I say I don't like it.
No problem. No problem. Let me escort.
Mama, I don't want. I don't want.
Hey, Chibo. Nai. Mamu, Ogo nwanyị Igwe.
Long live the king Achebe. Ijilije would the cease of Udenewu kingdom.
Go.
Hi.
Igwe.
Hi.
What is wrong with my eyes? Everywhere is blank, oh. I don't know.
What happened to you?
I don't know what is wrong with my eyes. I cannot see anything. Everywhere is blank.
Can't you see me?
No, I cannot see you.
But the weather is so bright that for you to see.
That's why I'm confused. I just came here to fetch water and the next thing, something just struck my eyes and I don't want to say I lost my sight, but the truth is I cannot.
You cannot lose your sight. No.
Jesus. Jesus. What is wrong with me?
So, you cannot see me now.
I'm not seeing anything.
You are not seeing my hand.
God, I cannot be blind in the mighty name
you
of
can't
Jesus.
Be blind.
I don't know what it is, but it's not my portion.
You can't be blind.
No. Why am I not seeing now? This is so strange. Jesus.
So, are you telling me that you can't see this in my hand?
No.
You can't be blind. Come, let's go inside.
I'm not seeing anything, Father. I'm not joking. I can't see anything. I don't know. Jesus, this is not my portion.
It can't
I
be
must
your
not
portion.
be blind in Jesus'
You must
name.
not be blind.
God, no. Jesus, what is wrong with me now?
No, you can't be blind. No.
Jesus.
Come this way.
Father, this is not a joke.
Come.
Jesus, what is wrong with me? What is wrong with me now? Jesus. Oh, what is wrong with me? I don't know. I don't know. It's not my portion.
It's not my daughter. I'm not seeing that.
Scary.
The finest, the fierce, the greatest, the most fierce, the most handsome, the greatest, the most delectable, the most eligible, the most brightest, in fact, the future of Udenewu Kingdom, the pride of Udenewu Kingdom, the progress of Udenewu Kingdom, the all and all of Udenewu Kingdom, the one that gathers all the gather, the prince gathers himself.
Hi, Gada.
My prince, greetings.
Oh, greetings to you. The only one who makes me happy.
My prince.
How are you?
I'm fine, my prince. I'm fine.